didn't use an interface is I would do something like this. I would go cast to, side scroller character. Had to remember what group I was using. And then here we go enable inputs. And then player controller. And this is how ridiculously long this takes to set up. And then level. We're going to go with open level. What is the original level called? Not Mario's normal pipe. Is that what I called the original level? It is. Let's see. Down pipe coin thing. Yeah, that's an awesome name. And just so you know, when I'm at work, if I'm reproing bugs and stuff like that, I come up with just as ridiculous of names for everything, because it helps me differentiate what I'm doing. Yeah, save that real quick. Oh, I just want to see. No. Okay, where's my original map? Side scroller example map. Aha! So we have an original map. And now I have two side maps that are supposed to be the things. Okay. Save selected. Zelba. Oh, okay. Cool. Cool. Gotcha. I knew that all along, and I was just testing to make sure you knew your own name. No, I'm actually working in 4.7 because I am incredibly lazy and have not updated this project yet. So, yeah, to answer that question, no. No, I'm still working in 4.7. I've been intending to update to 4.8, but, yeah, that takes so much effort. Though now that I actually have a actual internet that can work, and I said 10,000. Thank you. But now that I have an internet that can actually handle things, I'm probably going to switch up. Let's see, boop, boop, go back to this. Okay, now we can work on this. Let's see, starter content, maps. There's starter map, I think. Or no. Side scroller example map. Okay. Side scroller example map. Now, when you're doing an open level, make absolutely certain that you are using the proper name here. That's the right one, because you want to make sure you get the exact same name so that you're going to the exact one that you're looking for. Okay. So sorry, I did part of this wrong. And if you press down, you should switch. Okay. So in this case, what'll happen is you fall in, you run, hit down, pops you here. Now what I'm going to try to do, when I finished changing my project to 4.8 and I said finally done, finally I've done it, 4.9 came out. Yeah, well, 4.9 currently is just in preview, so you should, this has been my recommendation in general. Don't update your main project to the next version when it's in the preview stage, because not everything's been tested, so we tend to get a lot more crashes, a lot more corruption errors and stuff like that. If you're going to try it in 4.9, then what you'll want to do is make a copy of your project. That way you still have a copy in 4.8, so if something, like, let's say something just completely horrible happens to your project in 4.9, you still have the 4.8 copy. Then you could be like, okay, well, obviously preview's not ready yet for what I'm doing. We've had that happen a lot. Oh, good. You have no idea how many times I have to tell people this, uh, and there are so many that still choose to do it, and I'm like, there's your problem right there. Okay, so this is how you typically set it up. Uh, However, set actor location. Oh, sorry, forgot one thing. Do a get all actors of class, and this is where that second thing comes in. Return pipe. Return pipe. Yeah, it's not an easy lesson to learn. I'll be honest. For each loop, get location plus 100. I actually don't know the exact date that 4.9 is going to be released off the bat. And let's see, go ahead and do that. Okay, I think this should work if I do it right. But let's see. Yeah, I don't know the exact date. It's coming soon, obviously, because we are doing the previews, and once we start doing the previews, that means the deadline's getting closer. But I couldn't tell you the exact date. Okay, let me go back to the starter map real quick. Not save again. Side scroller example map. Let's see if I did this correctly. I'm just going to place a copy of the return pipe right here. Now there's okay. Open level maps. Downpipe coin thing. Wonder if this will work, because I'm usually not very good at this. Nope. This is one of the things I actually have been working very hard on, because I just don't quite understand how to make it go to a specific point. Though I do have that other project that has information in it that might be helpful. Okay. We're going to cheat. I think it's my first person game. Let's see. Sorry for the download thing. A lot of... Alright, great to see you, actually. If you ever want to come back, come hang out. We're always doing something interesting or different in here. Different for me. I can't say it's different for everyone. So for everyone who doesn't know, this is our first person game that we've got going on. We've got stuff that you can use, all kinds of cool stuff. But that's not what we're interested in right now. Open. Let's see, there's living room. Do I have it in level blueprint? No? Okay, cool. Edit blueprint, open blueprint editor. Oh no, this one just puts me back. Okay. Yeah, this one still just puts me back. I never figured it out. So we're gonna sit here and try to figure this out. Let's see. cancel. Okay. I think what I need to do is in the character blueprint, where's my character blueprint? There he is. Okay. I think I'm going to need to create variable returning. By default, we'll set it to false. Then we need a variable for the vector. Return location. Custom event. Returning. Branch, check to see if returning is true. If true, set actor location. To the return location. Target is self. And we'll set return returning back to false. Okay. On level load, maybe? Let's see. Event dispatchers isn't something I've really Sorry guys, this is definitely a challenge. I'm interested in it. I'm very interested. Okay, well anyways, let's start with the transfer pipe. And what we need to do is actually make a promoted variable out of this for name. Make that editable. Level name. And not only that, all of this just be like, so what I was saying here, sorry, boop, get rid of that. So all of that was all fine and dandy, but we don't want to do that. We want to interface use call function. No. Did the interface not get saved? Interface did get saved. Use object. Event use object. That's the one I was. So we want to create an interface event. That's what I was looking for. Sorry it took so long.